You're watching All Things Antonia. I hope you subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I'm going to be bringing you another haul video. This time it is from the Grove Collaborative, and I have done a previous video featuring the Grove Collaborative products before. I will link that video below if you have not seen it so you can check it out. But I'm going to show you the order that I received from them, the order I placed with them for the month of February. So if you're interested in seeing what products I picked up this time, then just keep watching. Okay, so I have my order in this box right here. It's pretty heavy and I can't remember what I ordered, so I'm going to go ahead and tear into this. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is just my packing slip, and it just has all the items in there, so I'll hold on to that. And it just says a little thank you note on the side, so it's a little handwritten note. I love that. And as you can see here, all of the items are packaged very well. So it has this nice thick cardboard paper on top. I'm just gonna throw that over there for now. Okay, and so more paper. Okay, I do appreciate that because that way you know that all your products come packaged very well, and hopefully it prevents them from leaking. So I'm gonna set this box down. There's quite a few items in here, and I'll just pick them up one by one to make this easier on myself. Okay, so I'm just going to pick these up with no particular order. I feel like you guys are crooked. Just a second. So the first thing that I picked up is just a box of trash bags. These are the tall kitchen trash bags. They are, I think, 13 gallon, and there's 30 bags in here in this box. And these are by the brand 7th Generation. And I picked these up because, of course, I need trash bags for my kitchen. But also I like this because they are made with 55% recycled plastic and minimum 16% post-consumer recycled plastic. So, you know, these are gonna be good for the environment. And it says that 7th Generation for more than 25 years have been thoughtfully developing safe and effective products that work really well. So it says that this is 3-ply for strength and durability. And the next item that I picked up is just a set of disinfecting wipes. This is by the 7th Generation brand as well, and it says that it kills 99.9% of germs. And this is the lemongrass citrus scent, and it just looks like this. And they all have this plastic tape across the top just for packaging purposes, to make sure that, you know, all of your products come safe and they don't spill out or open up during shipping. So I appreciate that. There are 35 wipes in here, and so you always need disinfecting wipes, so I thought I'd pick some of these up. Okay, and so the next product that I have that I ordered is the Squirt and Mop wood floor cleaner. And again, it has this tape on top, and I'm gonna try to take this tape off so I can actually show you the label here. So this is by the Method brand, and this is the Squirt and Mop wood floor cleaner, and it just looks like this. So I already have this product and I've been using it for a while, and so I went ahead and just placed an order with the Grove Collaborative for this product now. The bottle I have now is about down to here. It's almost gone, so I really like it for my wood floors, and it's so easy to use. You literally just squirt it on the floor and go behind it and just mop it up, and it works really good. I got it in the almond scent. It's a very light scent, but it's a very clean scent, and it just leaves your house or whatever room that you're mopping and using this in, it leaves it smelling nice and clean. It's not a strong chemical scent or anything like that. It is surface safe, non-toxic, and plant-based, so that is good, and you get a good amount of product in here as well. It is 25 fluid ounces. Okay, and the next item that I ordered is by the brand 7th Generation, and it is the wood cleaner. It cleans and polishes wood surfaces, and I got it in the lemon chamomile scent, and it just looks like this. I love the spray bottle. And it says that it cleans and polishes wood surfaces to enhance their natural beauty. It is bio-based, and it's USDA certified bio-based product, 95%. It is a biodegradable formula. The scents are from 100% essential oils and botanical extracts. So, and then it has the list of ingredients on the back here. So that's one thing, or the main thing that I do like about these products, is that they are natural, organic, they're good, safe ingredients, and so I appreciate that. And I did get the wood surface cleaner just for like the coffee table, for the kitchen dining table, you know, those wood surfaces. You don't want to just use any type of cleaning product on them, so I thought I would give this a try. I'd never tried this one before, but I'm definitely excited to test this one out. The next product that I have, this is a repeat, this is a reorder, because I thoroughly enjoyed this product from my first Grove order that I placed. So this is the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner, and I got it in the lemon verbena scent, and it comes in a nice handy dandy pump spray bottle that I thoroughly enjoy. I do like the scent of this product. It is not harsh, it smells amazing, and it says that it's aromatherapeutic household product, creating clean and happy homes since 2001, tough on dirt and grime, gentle on your home. And it says lemon verbena is an herb with a light, wonderfully refreshing citrus scent, and it is said to invigorate and stimulate the mind. How nice of an herb to pick you up. So yeah, definitely wanted to place another order of this, because I think my bottle is about halfway done as well, and I really like this product. It smells good, it works great, and so yeah. Okay, and the next item that I have is in this beautiful canister right here. This is a glass hand soap bottle on the inside, and it is a reusable hand soap bottle. It adds instant style and convenience to your kitchen or bathroom. Its sturdy glass body is accented with a sleek brushed metal pump, perfect for any of your favorite liquid soaps. And this bottle is dishwasher safe as well. So here it is in here. Again, I love how well these all come packaged. So it's nice and safe. It doesn't arrive broken, so that is nice. And it has the Grove Collaborative label on the front here, if you can see that right there. And it just has the little leaf on the back, which is also a part of their logo. So yeah, I just thought this was super duper cute. Now I did pick up also the gel hand soap to go along with it. This is the gel hand soap. I got it in the lavender and thyme. This has aloe vera, which helps to keep your hands moisturized. Beautifully scented with natural fragrance, and it's free of harsh chemicals. And this is the Grove Collaborative's own brand of hand soap. And it says that this bag has approximately 3 refills in it. So it's more than 97% bio-based as well. So good ingredients, help to clean and moisturize your skin. So let's see if I can smell it. I think I've smelled this before. Smells so good. Oh yeah, I like that. That smells very clean. So excited to get this. For right now, I'm gonna keep it in this little plastic bag to make sure that it doesn't leak out. Okay, so I'm down to my last 2 items, and these are actually gonna be like body care items. So the first thing that I have is these facial towelettes. They're by the brand Rooted Beauty, and they are these sensitive facial towelettes with aloe and chamomile. You get 30 towelettes in here, and it just looks like this. And it says, get clean, glowing skin anywhere, anytime with our gentle facial towelettes. These are hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, fragrance free, sulfate free, phthalate free, and paraben free as well. So these should definitely be good for the skin. Now the last product that I have is a deodorant, and this is by the Tom's brand, and this is the 24-hour natural odor protection long-lasting deodorant. I got it in the scent Wild Lavender, and it says this is the #1 natural deodorant brand. Very excited to try this as well. Again, it is the Tom's brand deodorant, and I got it in the Wild Lavender scent. I want to go ahead and smell this because I'm so curious. And it says right here, there's no aluminum, no parabens, and no artificial fragrances. Oh wow, okay, so it smells really good. The consistency is different from what I thought it would be. I thought it would be like a thick, white, creamy type deodorant. And I thought that because I have another deodorant that I received. It's like a small sample deodorant I received from my Pinch Me box recently. And there was a natural deodorant in there. I can't remember what it was called. I actually really did like that deodorant. I still have a little bit of it left, but I thought that it was thick and creamy. And so I thought the consistency of this would be like that, but it's not. Smells really good. It's actually more of like a gel consistency. Oh, and I got a brochure in here. They always include like a nice little brochure in your package, and it just says a brighter, cleaner, fresher home right this way. And so it just has all of their products listed inside, and you can see all of them here. So they're just a great company. You know, I love the fact that you can get some good cleaning products, but without all of the harsh chemicals. So yeah, I'm thoroughly enjoying my subscription with the Grove Collaborative currently. It's only been a couple of months that I've been signed up, but you can go online if you decide to sign up with them. I do have a link below. You can just click on that link and it'll take you like where to go if you want to sign up. But what you can do is just sign up with them, place your order. I think the first order that you place, you get like 5 free items. And so each month they'll just, you know, email you. They stay in contact with you throughout the month via your email. And so I think that's good also, so it doesn't like sneak up on you when it's time to place a new order for the next month. But you can change your ship date. And so say if, you know, you place an order in March and then April comes around and you're like, I'm not ready to place an order yet, you can push out your next shipment date. You can go through and update your shopping list or your, you know, your shopping bag, your cart. You can go through and, you know, make some edits. You can add something, you can take it out if you change your mind, you know, the next day. You don't have to place your order right away. So I like that. And every time you come back and log in, the things that you added to your cart are still there. And so if they've come out with something new that wasn't there the last time you updated your cart, you can add that new item into your cart if you want to. You can take something out if you want to. So it's very interesting if you're interested in safe, clean, natural cleaning products for your home, something that's gonna kill germs but not, you know, stir up your allergies and sinuses and things like that if you're sensitive to those types of things like I am. So yeah, I'm thoroughly enjoying my subscription with the Grove Collaborative. This video is not sponsored, but I do have a previous video. I'll link that below. Once again, check the description box for more information. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, be sure to share this video. There is a share button down below, and you can share the link to this video with someone that you think would find it helpful or interesting. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've heard of the Grove Collaborative before, if you've ever placed an order with them, or if you have, tried any of these products as well. Some of them are available in stores as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.